नमस्कार, मैं हूं सलामत अली और स्वागत है आप सभी का समय राष्ट्र न्यूज़ में। समय राष्ट्र न्यूज़ में मुंबई और साथ ही साथ देश भर की ताज़ा तरीन अपडेट्स के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें।
Our magazine, digital magazine, it's a brand called Food Expert. So today we are launching the logo of the magazine. So soon, next month Jan, we are starting our website portal. It's about a food, chefs, cuisines, recipes, and it talks about the food culture, travel. Lot of it's like Food Expert. The logo is there.
Films or food कैसे manage करते हैं? There's so much happening with Inbox, with Sin City, now Food Expert, Royal Restaurants. So there's so much strategy. How do you manage?
Yeah, we are already into restaurants. So our brands like Sin City, 18th Century, The Great Indian Dhaba, under our company Royal Restaurants, are doing very well. So we thought to start one digital magazine. It's related to food. Again, it will talk about restaurants. So it will be the same field. We comes from the film background. We are the producers, and I'm myself a director. So it's similar the restaurants and film and fashion. My wife is also fashion designer, Anjum Qureshi. So we are mostly into capturing all.
Padma Shri Sanjeev Kapoor logo launch कर रहे हैं. I mean, what better than that?
Yeah, I'm very excited about Sanjeev sir. He's launching our Food Expert logo. It's our first event and he's coming on board to launch the event. It's an exciting moment and Padma Shri anyhow he's here.
2021 के क्या plans हैं? Food industry को लेके आप एक नई पहचान बना रहे हैं with something because इतने टाइम से कहीं ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि there is because अब सब digital जा रहे हैं और एक online magazine है which concept थोड़ा change हुआ है, तो what plans further?
Yeah, now the people are connecting. I'm traveling to the restaurants and lot of things, the table reservations to food, talking about food, lot of things are connected with digital. So now also we are connected with digital only. So it's it now. I see the future of food industry also in digital because today any chair is reserved in restaurants. It's through the digital only. So we are focusing on a lot of digital works. So our restaurants also all going with digital registrations and sign-ups and everything. So very soon we are launching some the Great Indian Dhabas franchise in all over India also. So I will talk later on. Very happy to see sir with me. He's launching our Food Expert logo. So this website we are going to launch very soon, next month in Jan. So today we are launching our Food Expert logo here. So now sir will talk something about Food Expert.
Sure. थैंक यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई। पिछले कुछ महीने जो हैं बहुत टेंशन में लोगों के सब तरफ से गुजरे हैं और फूड बिजनेस में जितने रहे हैं स्पेशली फूड सर्विस में रेस्टोरेंट इंडस्ट्री उसके अंदर काफ़ी टेंशन रही। सो इन सच अ सिनेरियो अगर कोई हाथ थामने वाला मिलता है सो समबडी हु कैन शो अ पाथ to consumers, to businesses, and weave everything together. That's a good thing. So, wishing both of you all the best. काफ़ी चीज़ें उसमें आप करने वाले हैं, रेस्टोरेंट्स की लिस्टिंग, रेसिपीज, फूड के बारे में काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें. So, any information, any knowledge, any discovery is always good for consumers. And in a scenario, in a situation जहाँ पे मतलब हर रोज़ एक चैलेंज आ रहा है पिछले काफ़ी उसमें आई वुड से इट्स अ वेरी गुड साइन कि कुछ अच्छा भी सुनने को मिल रहा है. नहीं तो मतलब आज जितनों से लोगों से बात हुई है वही सिर्फ बात चल रही है कि अरे वो कर्फ्यू लग गया फिर से, पर सबको करना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. सो इन ऑल ऑफ दिस देयर इज समबडी हु इज थिंकिंग ऑफ businesses and also seeing an opportunity in business. I think that's a good sign. So wish you all the best and do well with this. एक ही मेरी सजेशन रहेगी, खाने का कोई भी काम होता है, किसी भी उसमें हो, उसके अंदर जो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ होती है सच्चाई. So keep that and लोग हाथ चूमेंगे आप.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, in the lockdown, one thing we've learned is that we want good food. If not anything else, हम सब बंद थे, but everybody was experimenting with food. So it's lovely to be here, and it's festivity time and pre-Christmas, and we've all not been dressing up and going out. So we all look for a chance to get out and experience a nice evening with friends, and it's been really long. And yeah, so I'm really happy to be here.
So it's good, at least the movement has started,
Yes,
on now. And
yes.
So talking about food, what's your favorite dish?
I'm a sucker for Italian food. I love Italian food. I mean, Indian food, of course, is my always my favorite because we've grown up with Indian food. But second to Indian food is pasta and yeah.
So have a great evening.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
I think it's great. I always attend almost every event of Ranjit's that I can, and every event is a super success. So I'm expecting the same from this one. And since it's all about food, I mean that's my place to be. Like that's the best.
Coming back to food, what's your favorite like cuisine you can say?
My favorite cuisine is maybe seafood and a little bit of seafood, a little bit of Italian, a little bit of Indian, everything, as long as it's food.
As you know, Food Expert is launching today. What wishes last year?
What?
It's launching today, right? So what wishes you want to give it?
What wishes I want to, I wish them all the very best, and I'm sure it's going to be great and people are going to love it. And yeah, I mean all the best and keep killing it as usual.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm glad you made it.
Yeah, long way.
मैम सामने मैम आपका राइट दिस कैमरा मैम थैंक यू
Food Expert, which is an e-digital magazine by Mr. Sanjay Suresh. What do you have to say for that? You yourself, you're a wonderful, wonderful chef and a food connoisseur. What do you have to say?
So if it's Sanjeev Kapoor, I don't have to say anything. It's all said. Yes, it's going to be the best.
What wishes would you like to give?
So all my best wishes are here. I'm sure it's going to do very well, fantastically well. And Chef Kapoor is there. His name is there.
Well, I wish them all the best. Definitely, ऐसे food के लिए आज तक कोई magazine आई नहीं थी, but that's a very good initiative they have taken. I wish the entire team very good luck, and I hope this magazine carries some good cuisines. हमको अच्छी recipes दिखें इस magazines में, और कितना पौष्टिक है, कितना healthy food है. I hope अभी तक मैंने magazine पढ़ी नहीं है, पर आशा करता हूँ magazine में हमको सारी informations मिलेंगी.
जहाँ तक खाने की बात है, आपका favorite cuisine क्या है?
Well, मैं बहुत I love sushi. Sushi is my favorite. Rajma chawal. Actually, I'm a very desi person when it comes to my taste of my mouth. And sometimes I like Chinese and continental, but basically I like my Indian food.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yeah, and happy New Year.
तो सर आज फूड एक्सपर्ट मैगजीन का लॉन्च है आफ्टर लॉकडाउन. अभी आपका गाना है और आज सेकंड इतना बड़ा इवेंट है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
It's lovely being here, and I'm very big fan of Sanjeev ji, and congratulations to Sajid ji for this beautiful launch of the logo. बहुत अच्छा logo भी design किया उन्होंने, and it feels good. अभी people have started moving out and we all get to meet each other, तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank you.
So, talking about the launch today, you're a food expert. What do you have to say?
I'm pretty excited because I'm a Bengali and I'm a foodie. So I'm looking forward to some interesting, things to, sample, taste and eat. And apart from that, this is a very good venture. I'm glad I'm here. for the unveiling of the logo. And let's see how the evening goes. I'm looking forward to a lot of good food, so let's see.
So we have Padma Shri Sanjeev Kapoor launching. Have you been a fan of his cooking or his style of?
Who hasn't? I mean, he is the biggest name in Indian culinary, I guess, in the cooking world, and I think all over the world also. He's one of the most renowned names. So definitely, I'm looking forward to it, and because it is Sanjeev Kapoor sir, so I'm really looking forward to it because he's known to be one of the biggest names in our country and one of the top names in the world. So there's definitely a lot I'm looking forward to. Yeah, I am, and but I'm glad I got out at the right time. I'll be very honest because the current scenario, the players that have come in right now, they are really down to business right from the first day itself. They mean business and they've upped the game a lot. So all the best to the contestants who've already been in the season from the beginning, and to the new challengers. I mean, y'all are really entertaining us a lot. So kudos to you all. मैं अब तक सलमान सर से मिला नहीं हूँ, हालांकि मेरे उनसे मिलने के प्लान्स हैं बहुत जल्दी. I am in touch with Sir's team and hopefully soon I will meet him. As for Sir's birthday, I think we are blessed कि सलमान सर हमारे इंडस्ट्री में हमारे कंट्री में वो पैदा हुआ. एक्चुअली आई थिंक वी आर ब्लेस्ड बिकॉज ही इज गिवन अस सच ब्यूटीफुल सिनेमा फॉर एज लॉन्ग एज आई कैन रिमेंबर. आई थिंक जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन उनके फैंस रहे हैं, एंड आई थिंक आगे भी काफ़ी मतलब आई गेस फॉर लाइक द नेक्स्ट एटलीस्ट 20 जनरेशन वी आर ऑल गोइंग टू बी सलमान खान फैंस. सो सलमान सर, इफ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस, थैंक यू फॉर द वर्क यू डन. Thank you for giving us so many lovely films. Wish you a very happy birthday. And a personal favorite of mine, जो मेरे डैड ने गाया सलमान सर के लिए, आई थिंक आप लोग सबको पता ही होगा, हम दिल दे चुके सनम का ये सॉन्ग है. सो आई थिंक मैं इसके 2 लाइन्स गुनगुनाना चाहूँगा आप लोगों के लिए. आँखों की गुस्ताखियाँ माफ हो, टिक टुक तुम्हें देखती है, जो बात कहना चाहे जुबान तुमसे ये वो कहती है. That's my wish for Salman sir. Any other questions? Yeah, sure.
Regarding a little bit, people have started moving out, and you're here for the launch of Food Expert. What do you have to say?
The heels are killing me because after almost 7 months I'm stepping out for an event, and it feels good. It does. It makes you feel alive and being in front of camera again. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this because food is something that never goes out of fashion, and I'm tired of eating homemade food. So this is fun to taste some outside food now.
You are a great foodie and you cook very well. And when it comes to food, what do you think that something that is sinful and something your favorite?
My favorite, I guess, food. Yeah. I guess good food made from the heart is probably, it always turns out to be good. So yeah, I guess that's my favorite.
Thank you, Sai, and you're looking lovely.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
That nourishes the human nature. So the food has to be made in the good thought, and the energy should be balanced. All the ingredients should be perfect, which can balance each other. That's it. That's a food for me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.